Dollar store versus Walmart, two of the biggest names in American shopping. One promises everything for $1.25. The other claims everyday low prices. But which one actually saves you money in 2025? In this video, I went shopping at both stores, picked out 20 everyday items, and compared the prices, the value, and even the quality. Stick around, because some of these results will shock you, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to shop to save the most money. Also, let me know in the comments, are you Team Dollar Store or Team Walmart? Let's get started. To keep this comparison fair, I chose 20 everyday items that almost everyone buys. Groceries, snacks, household supplies, cleaning products, and personal care. I'll show you the dollar store price, the Walmart price, and break it down by unit cost where possible. I'll also talk about quality, because sometimes the cheapest option isn't actually the best deal. Ready? Let's jump into the comparison. Item 1, chips. Dollar store, $1.25, small 3 ounces bag. Walmart, $2.48, big 8 ounces bag. Per ounce, Walmart is cheaper. Verdict, Walmart wins. Item 2, cereal. Dollar store, $1.25, mini box, 7 ounces, off-brand. Walmart, $3.64, family-size Cheerios, 18 ounces. Per ounce, dollar store equal to 18 cents. Walmart equal to 20 cents. Dollar store slightly cheaper, but off-brand versus brand matters. Verdict, tie, depends if you care about brand. Item 3, cookies. Dollar store, $1.25, 10 ounces generic. Walmart, $2.98, Oreos, 14 ounces. Walmart equal to 21 cents, Oz. Dollar store equal to 12 cents, Oz. Verdict, dollar store wins. Item 4, canned soup. Dollar store, $1.25, 10 ounces can. Walmart, $1.98, Campbell's 15 ounces can. Per ounce, dollar store 12 cents. Walmart 13 cents. But Walmart has name brand and bigger variety. Verdict, tie, cheap versus quality choice. Item 5, frozen pizza. Dollar store, $1.25, tiny personal pizza. Walmart, $3.48, 12-inch medium pizza. Per ounce, Walmart cheaper. Verdict, Walmart wins. Item 6, soda 2-liter bottle. Dollar store, $1.25, generic brand. Walmart, $1.98, Coca-Cola 2L. Dollar store cheaper, but off-brand. Verdict, depends on taste preference. Item 7, bottled water 24-pack. Dollar store, $1.25, 6 small bottles. Walmart, $4.36, 24 full-size bottles. Dollar store equal to 20 cents per bottle. Walmart equal to 18 cents per bottle. Verdict, Walmart wins slightly. Item 8, coffee. Dollar store, $1.25, instant 4 ounces. Walmart, $690 Folgers, 11 Unzen. Dollar store equal to 31 cents, Oz. Walmart equal to 61 cents, Oz. But taste and quality differ a lot. Verdict, dollar store for budget, Walmart for quality. Item 9, dish soap. Dollar store, $1.25, 12 ounces. Walmart, $2.94, 28 ounces Dawn. Per ounce, dollar store equal to 10 cents. Walmart equal to 10 cents. Verdict, tie. Item 10, laundry detergent. Dollar store, $1.25, 10 loads generic. Walmart, $8.97 Tide, 64 loads. Dollar store equal to 12 cents load. Walmart equal to 14 cents load. Surprisingly, dollar store is cheaper. Verdict, dollar store wins. Item 11, paper towels. Dollar store, $1.25, 1 roll. Walmart, $5.48, 6 rolls, 91 cents per roll. Walmart way cheaper. Verdict, Walmart wins. Item 12, trash bags. Dollar store, $1.25, 10 bags. Walmart, $7.48, 80 bags. Dollar store equal to 12 cents bag. Walmart equal to 9 cents bag. Verdict, Walmart wins. Item 13, toothpaste. Dollar store, $1.25, Colgate travel size. Walmart, 98 cents, full size Equate brand. Walmart better deal. Verdict, Walmart wins. Item 14, shampoo. Dollar store, $1.25, 12 ounces generic. Walmart, $2.97, 13 ounces name brand. Depends if you care about brand. Verdict, tie. Item 15, razors. Dollar store, $1.25, 2-pack generic. Walmart, $6.48, 10-pack brand. Dollar store equal to 62 cents each. Walmart equal to 65 cents each. Pretty close, but Walmart higher quality. Verdict, tie leaning Walmart. Item 16, Band-Aids. Dollar store, $1.25, 20 count. Walmart, $2.47, 100 count. Dollar store equal to 6 cents each. Walmart equal to 2 cents each. Verdict, Walmart wins. Item 17, light bulbs. Dollar store, $1.25, 1 bulb. Walmart, $7.94, 8-pack LED bulbs. Dollar store equal to $1.25 each. Walmart equal to 99 cents each. Verdict, Walmart wins. Item 18, plastic containers. Dollar store, $1.25, 1 container. Walmart, $4.97, 8 containers. Dollar store equal to $1.25 each. Walmart equal to 62 cents each. Verdict, Walmart wins. Item 19, batteries AA 4-pack. Dollar store, $1.25. Walmart, $4.97, 8-pack, $2.48 per 4. Walmart slightly more expensive per 4, but higher quality. Verdict, Walmart longer lasting. Item 20, seasonal decor. Dollar store, $1.25, small items. Walmart, $3 to $5 for bigger items. Dollar store better for quick, cheap seasonal items. Verdict, dollar store wins. So here's the scorecard after 20 items. Dollar store wins, shampoo, cookies, laundry detergent, seasonal decor. Walmart wins: paper towels, trash bags, Band-Aids, light bulbs, snacks, water, and more. Ties, toothpaste, dish soap, razors. Overall, Walmart saves more money if you buy in bulk and want name brands. Dollar store works best if you're on a strict budget, buying single items or shopping for small seasonal things. So the big takeaway? If you're shopping for just one or two things, dollar store can be your best friend. But if you're stocking up for the week, Walmart usually gives you the best bang for your buck. What do you think? Have you found better deals at dollar store, or do you stick with Walmart? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving experiments, and check out my next video where I try living on only dollar store food for 24 hours. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.